Hello and welcome. My name is Caroline over here at Premier Fitness, and today we're going to do some stretches you can do in your chair. So you can do this if you need a break in your office space and you've been sitting for a long time, or just if you're sitting on the couch or there's stuff that you don't want to get on the floor for. So we're just going to do a few stretches to break up your day. So we're first going to start by taking a deep breath in, hands above our head, and breathe out as you go down. Do that again, hands up, and breathe out. All right, take our arm across our chest. Make sure you're breathing. I do most of these exercises twice on each side. And one more time on that. All right. Then if you need to hold on to the side of your chair, you can, and if not, you're going to reach up and stretch that side. Make sure you have your butt still planted in the seat, your hips are grounded. Back down to the other side. Good. We'll do that one more time each side. All right. So you can take a leg, put it out straight. You have your toe flex back to you. And stretch out that calf muscle. I bend a little bit to get some in my hamstring, but really pull that toe back. Good. Other leg. Good. One more time each leg here. Pull that toe back. And last one for here. All right, so our next one, you can either cross your legs, or if you can, put your leg up on your knee, and you're going to stretch over. So it's going to stretch both your hamstring and a little bit your back. Again, make sure we're breathing through these stretches. All right, and we'll switch to the other side. Again, you can cross your ankles as well. Okay, we'll do that one more time. Okay, so now you're going to twist to one side and bring your back leg down. This is for your hip flexor. You can hold on to the back of your chair. Really stretch that out. A lot of the time we miss stretching out our hip flexors, but they still are important to stretch. All right, one more time again. All right. Now you'll face the front. And take your arms and twist towards the back. Turn your gaze behind you. Twist, and this will stretch out your back here. Go back to the other side. And again, one more time. And last, I'm going to turn this way so you can see, but we'll do some cat-cows. So you'll arch your back this way, then round out your shoulders. And we'll do that one more time. All right. Now back back to the front. You want to gently grab the side of your head and pull your neck down. Feel a gentle stretch here through your neck. And the other way. One more time. All right, and the last thing to do is kind of stretch out your fingers and your wrist. If you've been typing all day, at your computer, this is good. Just flex your wrists and your fingers. You can just kind of stretch your fingers out that way, and that's what we have for today. Make sure you try to do this, especially if you're sitting all day. These are good stretches that you don't actually have to get up out of your chair, but you can sit and do them. And also if you're unable to go on the floor, these are good stretches you can do sitting on your couch or in the dining room. But thanks for joining us today. Have a good one.